I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube videos being dark. So let's go to YouTube, and let's go to our U section at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the gear icon at the top right corner. Go to General and go to Appearance. Make sure you're on the correct theme that you want to be on. If it's light or dark, sometimes when you're on your dark theme, it gives you the illusion that the videos are relatively dimmer or darker. So make sure that you are on light theme, and maybe that will help you out. Another thing we can do is come out of YouTube and go to our settings. And from here, you want to scroll down until you find display and brightness, and go ahead and turn off automatic appearance change. That will also keep your phone on light. And then what we can do is go ahead and come back out of here, go to accessibility, and then go to display and text size. And from here, you want to scroll down and go ahead and click off auto brightness. What this is going to do is it's going to change the brightness of your phone as your day is going on. If it's in sunlight, if you're in a dark room, it will automatically adjust that brightness. So from that point forward, you should be able to have your YouTube videos nice and bright, and always make sure that your actual display here is always on the brightest setting. But that's it. Those couple little things should